Hey guys, welcome back to Winning Brains. Today we are going to be taking a look at the QIYI Non-cubical gift box set. Okay, so when I got the box, it wasn't in a too good condition. So what I'll do is I'll just show the quick contents of the what I had got in the box and what I had got earlier in my other box. Okay, so this was the box which I got my previous cube from. This was the cubical gift box, and this one is the present one, cubical non-cubical gift box. Both don't look much different. I put some stuff inside this, so there's nothing much to see in this one, and more stuff was there inside, which was these two guidebooks, which is in Japanese, I suppose, Chinese or Japanese. It was the old one. This is the new one. I don't think there's any much difference in this. Okay, so we'll just put that aside also. And these two speed cubing cube stands, and then obviously for the cubes. Okay, so now let's just straight get into cubes. Okay, so as far as the cubes, we'll take a look at each one in detail, and we'll start one by one from the pyramids. Okay, we'll move all the others aside. So the pyramids is quite good. It's a magnetic pyramids. It's been a while since I've seen all these puzzles, Megaminx, Cube, Pyraminx and all. Turns quite good. Corner cutting is amazing in this. You can like feel the magnets too good inside. They're like kind of strong. And its color, the stickerless one, it has very vibrant colors popping up, and okay, so nothing much to say for the pyramids. We'll get to the next cube, that is skew. Okay, so this cube is really good. This cube is really good because it has a clicky feeling, smooth. All of these cubes are smooth, and while if you compare with my previous one, this one is little smaller, yes, and my previous one, it was kind of locky, but in this I don't think there will be any problem like that. The clicky sound makes it feel way more better, and I like this. All the colors are quite similar. All are similar, all are same, I say. Okay, so nothing much to say for this also. Let's go on to the other cube. Let's solve this one. Okay, now let's get to the Megaminx. Okay, the Megaminx was amazing for its price. Okay, so all these were the Chi gift box set, and all of these were at really affordable and cheap price. That's the best thing. And whereas I say for the Megaminx, that's totally amazing. So if you have less money, if you are light on cash, this is the thing you want. Okay, this you have to get this if you are light on money and like Megaminxes and all the other cubes. It did not take a lot of time to come though. Like I ordered day before yesterday and today it's here due to the coronavirus pandemic also. So the Megaminx is quite easy to grip due to these ridges. If you're able to see, it's quite grippy, turns quite fast. I turn slow because it's been a long time since I've held all these things, and it's the best thing for beginners. Okay, so if you're a beginner unlike me, this is the thing you need. Okay, because you can't spend too much money on the GANs as a beginner, and you have to start from small, right? So this is the thing you're looking for. Amazing, fast, and really smooth also, to be honest. No locking ups. Okay, so let's get to the next cube. That's the IV cube. Okay, so the IV cube personally is the smoothest among all these. Okay, you can get the buttery feeling playing with it while fiddling with it, as I am getting now currently. It's really, 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 really smooth. Okay, and I'm still saying, if you guys like such cubes, there was an option in this set that I could have gone for a master morphings or a pyromorphings instead of this IV cube, but I wanted this IV cube because it's so damn amazing. That's the reason I got this, and I have no regrets also. It's really, really, really smooth and good too. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. This was a short video on how the QIYI non-cubical gift box was like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and we'll see you guys on the next one.